Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Cosmo's EPGR 366 gas range. Exceptional quality Cosmo's EPGR 366 is the best freestanding 30-inch gas range on the market because of its performance, versatility, and quality. The adjustable height is one of the features that sets it apart from other gas stoves. If you want your gas stove to blend in with the counters next to it, this is a nice feature to have. This black porcelain gas cooktop has 6 sealed burners that allow you to cook with precision and control, from simmering to boiling to frying. There are 2 18,000 BTUs burners, 2 12,000 BTUs burners, and 2 9,000 BTUs burners on this cooktop. Food cooks more evenly in less time and at a lower temperature than a regular oven, thanks to a fan that distributes heat evenly around the food and eliminates cold spots in the oven cavity. Professionally styled gas stove with dazzling mirror finish knobs and a stainless steel oven door handle made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel. Above the oven knobs, bright LED indication lights offer a professional touch. For safe heat dissipation, an oven cavity cooling ventilation system, overheating protection, triple thick oven glass, and a cool-to-touch oven handle are included. Our second best 30-inch gas range is Frigidaire FGGH 3047 VF gas range. Make healthier and delicious meals with air fry. Deliver all of the flavor and none of the guilt. Air fry allows you to make healthier and delicious meals for the entire family right in your oven. The first range on the market to include air fry. Faster, more even baking results with true convection. Get faster, more even multi-rack baking with a powerful convection fan and third heating element that evenly circulates hot air throughout the oven. Flexible 5-burner cooktop. Get the ultimate cooking flexibility. Cooktop features an 18,000 BTUs power burner for faster boiling, a 5,000 BTUs simmer burner for delicate foods and sauces, and a 10,000 BTUs oval burner, perfect for your griddle. Quick boil burner. Get meals on the table faster with our powerful 18,000 BTUs burner. Fast steam cleaning option. A 30-minute light oven cleaning that's chemical-free, odor-free, and fast. Keep your cooktop looking beautiful. Our gas burners are now easier to remove and clean. Third in our list is Frigidaire FFGF 3054 TS gas range. You must buy Frigidaire FFGF 3054 TS gas range if you want 4 sealed top burners with a combined performance of 45,500 BTUs, a good output for its pricing. This is a true convection oven that ensures an uniform and constant heat distribution, which every baker will appreciate. It's made of smudge-proof stainless steel, which is not only long-lasting but also easy to clean, thanks to its high fingerprint resistance. This series has a number of interesting functional features that you will like. It has a one-touch keep warm mode that can be enabled via the touch screen to keep food items warm until the oven is ready to heat. You may also add a second timer to the timer by using the single touch feature. Number 4 in our best 30-inch gas range list is Frigidaire FCRG 3052 as 30-inch gas range. The Frigidaire FCRG 3052 has high-end burners with a professional design, excellent build quality, and a powerful fan. It also has 4 burners with a combined power of 57,000 BTUs. The 4.2 cubic foot oven space on this gas stove is fantastic. A 13,000 BTUs tube burner and 2 2,000 BTUs shaped burners are included with the gas stove. In terms of construction, the main structure of this gas range is made of robust stainless steel. It has a blue-colored porcelain interior that allows for healthy, contaminant-free cooking. The black porcelain drip pan is placed in the cooker to aid cleanup. Furthermore, control knobs with a lit display to aid operation make the task simpler. If you enjoy baking the perfect cake, the gas stove is ideal because it features an industrial convection technology that ensures even cooking. Our last pick is Thor Kitchen LRG 3001U gas range. Most professional bakers and chefs will appreciate the Thor Kitchen LRG 3001U, which is a commercial-grade 5-burner gas range that can be installed in a home kitchen and still produce restaurant-quality food. The gas range features 5 top burners with a total capacity of 45,000 BTUs on the exterior. It contains a 10,000 BTUs tube broil burner on the inside, as well as an 18,500 BTUs U-shape oven burner with an industrial convection fan for even heat distribution. It also has a large oven capacity of 4.55 cubic feet. When you return to the top of the range, you'll notice that it features continuous and sturdy cast iron cooking grates that are robust and heavy enough to prevent pots from swaying and toppling over while cooking. The black porcelain drip pan that surrounds the burners enables for easy cleanup of oils and grease in particular.